Welcome back to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products in the three-rail O-Gauge hobby. This week we have a supersize edition with the release of Lionel's 2026 Volume 2 catalog, so let's dive in. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. The big news this week is, as I mentioned, the release of the Lionel's 2026 Volume 2 catalog. For a page-by-page live reaction of the catalog, see the link at the end of this episode for my live stream. Meanwhile, here's a condensed recap. Lionel is producing two legacy SD40-2 diesel models in America 250 colors, including Reading and Northern and Wheeling and Lake Erie. The models are available as powered models with a list price of $749.99 and as non-powered units for $449.99 each. Additional SD40-2 models are available decorated for Santa Fe, Conrail, GATX, Katy, Rock Island, and Seaboard System. Also in the America 250 line are new legacy ES44 diesels, decorated as Canadian National number 2026 and number 1776, with a suggested list price of $849.99 for powered models and $499.99 for non-powered models. Other ES44 models include CSX Georgia Railroad Heritage, CSX L&N Heritage, CSX Monon Heritage, CSX Paramarquette Heritage, CSX Seaboard Heritage, and KCS de Mexico Bicentennial. Continuing the America 250 lineup are legacy ET44 diesels, decorated as CPKC number 1776 and Union Pacific number 4547 Donald Trump, plus BNSF 1776, 2026, and 250. The suggested list price is $899.99 for powered models and $699.99 for unpowered. Still more America 250 diesels include Norfolk Southern Legacy SD70 Ace diesels, decorated as number 1776, the Liberty Bell, 2026, Lady Liberty, and number 250, the American Eagle, for $849.99 in powered versions or $499.99 for unpowered. Other models include Norfolk Southern number 1230 Birmingham, number 1231 Atlanta, Norfolk Southern Delaware and Hudson Heritage, BNSF, Union Pacific EAP, regular Union Pacific, and Quebec North Shore and Labrador. Also available for America 250 are legacy Norfolk Southern ES44 AC diesels, decorated as Norfolk Southern number 8096, the white one, number 8118, the red one, and number 8143, the blue one, for $849.99 as powered models or $499.99 as non-powered. Other models include Norfolk Southern number 8184 Altoona and number 8183 Chicago. Also honoring America are legacy GP18 diesels, decorated as Missouri Pacific number 1776 and 1976 for $674.99 each. Additional models are available decorated for Boston and Maine, East Penn, Illinois Central, Louisville and Nashville, Norfolk Southern, the original one, and Susquehanna. Lionel has also announced a new legacy U30C diesel, decorated as Burlington Northern number 1776 for $749.99. The models are also available decorated for Burlington Northern, Burlington, Soo Line, Union Pacific, CSX, Department of Transportation, Louisville and Nashville XR Scheme, and Detroit Edison. Lionel has also announced a new Patriotic Legacy 442 Atlantic steamer with matching 19th century wood passenger cars. The locomotives are available for $999 each and also come decorated as Pennsylvania number 460, Pennsylvania number 1600, Strasburg number 460, Pennsylvania number 5075, Great Northern, Rock Island, Chicago and Northwestern, New York Central, Union Pacific, and North Pole Central. The passenger cars come in sets of 2 for $449.99 a set, plus new Station Sounds diners for $449.99. The passenger cars are also available decorated as Pennsylvania Yellow Kid, Great Northern, New York Central, Union Pacific, and North Pole Central. The diners are also available in 2 Strasbourg versions: Pennsylvania Yellow Kid, Great Northern, New York Central, Union Pacific, Royal Blue, Pennsylvania, Halloween, and North Pole Central. Lionel has also announced a new Legacy S3 484 steamer in Fantasy Milwaukee Road Bicentennial colors with matching passenger cars. The S3 locomotive is available for $1799.99, while the passenger cars are available in a 4-pack for $1399.99, a 2-pack with a coach and a full-length dome car for $699.99, and as a Station Sounds diner for $649.99. The steamers are also available as Milwaukee Road number 261 in gloss, number 262 in Hiawatha Gray, number 263 in dark Hiawatha colors, number 269 in yellow, number 264 in matte, number 265 in gloss, number 268 in S2 colors, and the cars are also available in traditional Hiawatha colors, excursion colors, yellow, and Canadian National. Hi, this is Future Mike. There are so many great new releases this week that I don't have enough time to edit this in order to get it out at our Tuesday broadcast time. So on Thursday this week, there will be a bonus episode of What's New in O-Gauge covering the rest of this week's new releases. So be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you don't miss that episode when it comes out later this week. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.